Hey, what's up guys, Labeeb here. Welcome to a video, and in this video I'm going to show you guys how you guys can make text bigger than maximum in Pixlr. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So guys, I'm in Pixlr editor right now, and first you know what to do. You should add the text, sorry. So I'm going to this one. Okay, see, if I put C999 and the text is this, it's maximize this. So I want to make bigger than maximum. So what to do? You want to right click on this layer and rasterize layer. Now you want to go to edit and fill transform. Hold shift and drag from here. See, it's now getting bigger. So guys, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. And my name is Labeeb, and bye.